so good.
You know, and it was just fun to play. मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ कि you know एक्टिंग में कभी-कभार आपको वो मौका मिल जाता है जो आप रियल लाइफ में नहीं कर सकते, so you get it out ना. You're like यार मैं रियल जिंदगी में तो कर नहीं सकता, एक्टिंग में तो कर सकता हूँ ना.
What was it like playing with being directed by Sabah Hamid?
Oh, it was awesome. You know, I think उस तरह के story के लिए ना, it had to be a very sensible and knowledgeable and someone who would. She was very passionate. She was very particular. कि उनको ना किस तरह चाहिए था, and I like that. You know, I like my director being very sure कि मुझे ये दिखाना है. I mean, कुछ चीज़ों पे मैं थोड़ा सा कोशिश करता था उनसे मैं कि नहीं ये ऐसे ही करना है.
अच्छा, उन्होंने visualize किया.
Yeah, उन्होंने किया हुआ था, and she was very particular because you know, obviously, you know, that was you know, she's a woman, and you know, a lot of women face this kind. In fact, you know, थोड़ा सा jumping to a different side of the same, you know, usually जब आप characters करते हो तो आपको feedback मिलता है, great acting, great performance, great story. इस वाले में this was one of the first plays जिस पे मुझे paragraphs के paragraphs from women who were like, this was my story, this was my husband. Wow. You know, this is what happened to me. Now I don't need to tell anyone कि मेरे साथ क्या हुआ. I tell them go watch that play.
And that's probably why Sabah ji was able to direct it so well, because I think हर पाकिस्तानी औरत का एक narcissist के साथ कोई ना कोई experience है.
And मैं कह रहा हूँ कि paragraphs, like paragraphs on my, you know, personal DMs में कि and तारीफ of performing it really well. अच्छा, और मुझे बड़ा वो it was such a double-edged feeling कि I'd be like thank you for कि आप मेरी performance की तारीफ कर लें, but at the same time I'm so sorry that you had to go through this.
Wow.
You know, so it was such a mixed feeling. लेकिन this was the first one. पहले भी बहुत तारीफ और लोगों ने extended भी की हुई, लेकिन इसमें तो pouring your heart.
Gaslighting character था.
हाँ. Basically, my female co-star was Durre Fishan, and she also had a very strong character. लेकिन ये इतना strong होता है कि ये अपनी manipulation और अपने words और अपना character और narcissism के through ना उसको बिल्कुल तोड़ देता है. You know, he breaks her down and he makes sure कि she starts off as a very headstrong person, लेकिन towards the end of the drama, you know, he completely breaks her into his doormat.
Oh God!
You know, I mean, she does win in the end, you know, like she should. Like she should.
That's so interesting.
Yeah, but you know, I'm sorry I'm saying this, but I had fun playing that character.
You had fun playing that character. I had so much fun in Bala.
I love doing negative characters.
It's so much fun.
There's so much more.
My best character that I enjoyed was Bala because. And I played a narcissistic sociopath as well. Yeah. And that's the character I gave her.
अभी
and it was just get it out.
Yeah. अभी भी जो वो जो ये फहाद और हानिया वाला जो बहुत पॉपुलर है अभी, उसमें भी उसमें भी जो फीमेल कैरेक्टर उसका the one Naima's doing was also a great actor. You know, it's a very strong-headed and kind of, you know, powerful negative. I mean, that's the character people are really enjoying. You know, they're enjoying the whole play, but they're really enjoying that character.
We should put a drama together जिसमें हम
दोनों narcissistic हो.
दोनों narcissistic और आपस में उनकी शादी हो जाए. And then what do they do? Then they like mess with each other.
Yeah. Those are fun to play.
I think that's a great storyline.
Because simple characters में ना आपके पास कितना ही कुमाजन होता है कुछ करने का. Negative में there's so much.
And negative आप इतने जानने वालों पे बेस कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, exactly.
आपके शो से पहले मेरे पास फरियाल महमूद थी and we had an entire 10 minute की discussion on narcissists.
Yeah.
And I think हर औरत
It's a shame Faryal doesn't act so much. Yeah, she should act more. I feel she'd be a great drama actor.
अपनी दुनिया में है कि she just wants to do what she loves.
Yeah. And she does a lot of commercial work and she doesn't
music. Care about money. She doesn't care. She just wants to do what speaks to her.
Yeah, but she would do so well.
She does do so well.
नहीं, इस तरह के characters, like because she does films and stuff.
She does films and stuff mostly, yeah.
But I feel she'd be such a good drama actor too.
I agree. She did so well in the Kashif Bhai ka drama Rakib Se.
Yes.
She had a really fantastic role in it. But she hasn't done a drama in 4 years.
वो कम करती है.
No, कम करती है. हम सब मिलके कुछ करते हैं.
Done.
I think it'll be really fun. I think we should.
Awesome.
अच्छा, tell me, do you think कि जो characters हम portray करते हैं आजकल जो norm है, जो काफी देर से norm है बल्कि वो ये है कि टॉक्सिक हीरो जो होता है जो लड़की के लिए बदल जाता है उसको 27 एपिसोड्स में टॉर्चर करने के बाद वो एक ट्रेंड है कि यू नो ही इज रूड बट ही इज गुड टू मी एंड आई विल चेंज हिम. आपको लगता है दिस इम्पैक्ट्स सोसाइटी इन अ नेगेटिव वे बिकॉज़ यू आर अ गर्ल डैड और हम लोगों को सिखा रहे हैं कि एक बुरा मर्द है तो उसके साथ रहो वो बदल जाएगा?
यार उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से तो नहीं, लेकिन मैं अपना एक तुम्हें पर्सनली बताता हूँ उष्णा कि although मैंने अभी ये कहा कि I enjoyed it as an actor, as a performer, but मुझे जब भी scenes मिलते हैं ना जिसमें I'm violent towards my partner या towards a woman, I hate those scenes. You know, I hate doing those scenes. I try and tone it down as much as I can because I don't like to portray these things.
Yeah.
And I'm sure जैसे आपने कहा इसका कहीं ना कहीं इम्पैक्ट आता होगा. एक मेरा ड्रामा था रुसवाई जिसमें सना जावेद होती है मेरे साथ, एंड मुझे उस पर शक होता है, और जब मुझे शक होता है ना तो मैं घर आता हूँ, और सीन था जिसमें अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट में क्या लिखा हुआ है कि घर आता है 10 चपेड़े मारता है.
क्या?
सुनो स्क्रिप्ट में क्या लिखा है कि 10 चपेड़े मारता है, फिर वो जमीन पे गिर जाती है, फिर उसको ठुड्डे मारता है, फिर उसको गर्दन से उठा के उसको चोक करता है. मैंने कहा क्या हो गया यार. मैंने कहा we ended up doing I think 1 chaped, and then just I held her throat.
I'm so done with these scenes. I've been so abused in dramas.
Yeah, unfortunately हमारी सोसाइटी का हिस्सा है, लेकिन हमें नहीं दिखाना चाहिए.
हमें नहीं दिखाना चाहिए, और हमें अगर दिखाएं भी तो हमें उसको condemn ही करना चाहिए, माफी नहीं देनी चाहिए. We're going to be right back, and when we come back we're going to have some more gup shop with Mikal. We're going to play some games, and I might make him act out some hero dialogues for me. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back right here on After Hours. We're chilling with Mikal Zulfikar. Meeks, tell me something. Can you do the hero pose?
What is
when
the hero pose? I don't know.
Finds, this is so fun. Because so a lot.
You show me one.
So when अगर आपके सामने एक हीरोइन आती है और आपको उससे मोहब्बत हो गई और आप देखने में बड़ी खूबसूरत है, there's a squint that all the heroes.
Really?
Yes. Can you do it again?
This one.
Yeah. Why do you guys?
I don't know. This is more of a model squint. This is what I used to do when I was a model. You know, you look into the camera, you're like, yeah.
Is that your blue
अब मैं आंखें खोलता हूँ.
Is that the Zoolander blue steel?
Yeah. But now I don't do this. I do this. I do the आंखें.
This is your model pose?
No, this is my intense look. You know, it's like eyes open and intense.
Okay. So if you're looking at
I've evolved.
जब लड़की पहली दफा तैयार होके आती है, शादी हो गई है, आप उसको पहली दफा देख रहे हैं, वो खूबसूरत लग रही है. Give me the look. I'll be the girl.
All right.
Nice.
It's more of a
nice. That's the one. Very nice. That was okay.
All right.
I see.
And I usually look her up and down like that.
Do you tell her?
I don't know why. Yeah.
But you do that up and down. That's very charming indeed. And I always say, मैं जब भी कोई dialogue, like my husband is the most romantic person.
Oh, that's wonderful.
In the world.
That's wonderful.
But उनके romance, aside from big gestures, उनका ज़्यादा हमारा relationship है कि वो मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे होते हैं.
Oh.